Let's learn how you can fix your Apple Pay not working. So you have two problems here. One problem can be with your iPhone and second one with your bank. So if you have a problem with your phone, what you want to do is to make sure that you update your iPhone to the latest version. So what you want to do is go to settings, click on general and software update. Now you need to check if the iPhone is up to date, and if it's not, you want to update it. Now, if it still doesn't work, you need to try to sign out and sign in to your Apple ID again. And if it still doesn't work, try force restarting your phone. Now, if you have a problem with your bank, what you want to do is go to wallet and just remove your card and add it again. If it still doesn't work after that, what you want to do is to contact your bank and find solution with them, because it's maybe an issue on their side. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.